Professional conduct in criminal litigation. The Solicitors Regulation Authorities (SRA) codes of conduct apply to all individual solicitors, registered European lawyers, and registered foreign lawyers, and all firms that are regulated by the SRA, practicing in all areas of law. There are a number of rules found in the code which are particularly relevant to solicitors practicing in criminal litigation. This tutorial focuses on those particular issues, and I'd like to speak to you about those particular areas now. Third-party instructions. Rule 3.1 of the SRA Code of Conduct for individual solicitors and 4.1 of the SRA Code of Conduct for firms provides that there will be a breach of the code if a solicitor acts for a client when instructions are given by someone else, or by only one client when the solicitor acts jointly for others, unless that solicitor is satisfied that the person providing the instructions has the authority to do so on behalf of all the clients. It is very common in criminal cases to be initially instructed by a person other than the client. This is because when initial instructions are received by a solicitor, the clients themselves are often in police custody, and so the first contact is made by the Defence Solicitor Call Centre, or maybe a friend or relative of the client. It's therefore very important that the solicitor expressly checks with the client and takes instructions from them personally before beginning to act.